Now in this section, we want to add career experiences to our resumes and gradually make our resumes more complete. For the career experiences section, I will again take a copy of these shapes that I used for the title of the training section so that I can use the same shapes for the header of career experiences too. And I will place it in its appropriate place, and then I will change the text to career experiences. For more detailed design, I will zoom in on the slide and then I will right click on the icon and click on change picture and this device, and the icon that is related to career experiences, and I downloaded it before. I select it and insert it, and then by holding the shift key I reduce its size. For the career experiences section, I want to use PowerPoint shapes again. At first, I choose the line arrow. I will draw a straight line by holding the shift key. I change the values of these from the shape outline section. I choose the yellow color and I change the thickness to 3 points. And I can select this option from the section of the arrows in this way. Now, in the shape section, I will again select the rounded corner option from the shape section. And now I want to display the years of my work here with the help of this shape. Repeat these shapes and I put them next to each other regularly. And now I draw a text box from the insert and text box section and enter the year of activity here. Now I use a triangle shape from the insert and shape section again, and now we want to show in which company and in which position we were active in different years. I rotate the triangle shape with the handle that is in this part and places it here like this. For example, I want to say that in the years 2016 to 2017, in which company and in what position did I work for 2 years. Now I may want to place a job position here which I was busy with in 2018 and for some time in 2017. In order to show this overlap, I will do it again with the help of this PowerPoint shape. But this time we have to do this. We can select both PowerPoint shapes, click on this arrow from the shape format section so that the shape format window opens for us, and then we enter a value of 50% in the transparency section so that our shape will take a glassy state and we can even change its color. Now, I want to say here that I was doing something else for a few months from 2017 to 2019, and that's why we used the transparency option to show this overlay here. And now we will continue to try to fill the timeline related to our career experiences in the same way. Or maybe in 2019, at the same time as what I was doing in company number 2, I also did something in the form of a project for another company, and I want to put it in my resume. For this again, we can use the same PowerPoint triangle shape, make it a little smaller and change its direction upwards, and we put it in the relevant place. For example, we want to say that we were working on this project for a few months from the end of 2019. So we can display it like this. And in order for these text box to fit here correctly, I zoomed out a little bit and then I will try to select all the elements that are here and bring them down a little so that I can add the project works that I did each year and continue the design. And in the same way, we were able to create the career experience section for our resume only with the help of PowerPoint shapes, and we create and advance our resume more creatively.